Composition.
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 Composition is a noun. As a noun, composition can mean 1. The act of putting together, assembly. 2. A mixture or compound, the result of composing. 3. The proportion of different parts to make a whole. 4. The general makeup of a thing or person. 5. An agreement or treaty used to settle differences. Later especially, an agreement to stop hostilities, a truce. 6. A payment of money in order to clear a liability or obligation, a settling or fine. 7. An agreement or compromise by which a creditor or group of creditors accepts partial payment from a debtor. 8. An essay. 9. The formation of compound words from separate words. 10. A work of music, literature or art. 11. Typesetting. 12. Applying a function to the result of another. 13. The compounding of two velocities or forces into a single equivalent velocity or force. 14. Consistency, accord, congruity. 15. Synthesis as opposed to analysis. 16. The arrangement and flow of elements in a picture. 17. Way to combine simple objects or data types into more complex ones.
That the molecular composition is not identical.